Hello student, have a good day. Yesterday I am completed analytical evidence of citral. Then today I am discussing with you synthetic evidence of citral. Here structure of citral has been confirmed from its synthesis. The method of Arins and Van Drop, name of the scientist Arins and Van Drop, in 1948 gives the synthesis involving following steps. There are the two steps for this synthesis of citral. In step first, synthesis of 6-methyl 1,5-heptanone, that is compound number 1. Synthesis of 6-methyl, add position number 6 methyl group attached, 1,5-heptanone. ONE indicates presence of a ketonic group. Then in step first, starting material is the acetone. Acetone CH3COCH3 react with acetylene CH triple bond CH in presence of sodium ammonia. This is the first step, and second is the hydrolysis. Then formation of addition product. Here carbonyl group addition, H from acetylene group attached to the oxygen converted to the C-O group is converted to the COH, and this carbon atom attached to the remaining C triple bond CH. This is the addition product. Then this addition product undergoes partial reduction in presence of zinc copper. Then partial reduction here, CH triple bond C undergoes reduction converted to the CH2 double bond C. Reduction is nothing but addition of a hydrogen. Therefore, CH group is converted to the CH2 double bond C. COH CH3 remains as it is. Then after a reduction, here I am showing the partial reduction in presence of zinc and copper, CH2 double bond C, COH CH3. In the addition compound C triple bond C, then this addition compound undergoes reduction converted to the CH2 double bond C, COH CH3. Then this compound again react with PBr3, alicyclic rearrangement reaction. Only this product is the rearranged. I am showing the structure of rearranged product is the CH2Br, CH double bond C, CH3. This is the rearranged product. Then this rearranged product is react with CH3CO Na, CHCOOC2H5. Here Na from this compound and Br from rearranged product release in the form of a NaBr, and formation of a product here CH3 C double bond O, CH COO C2H5, CH2 CH double bond C, CH3. Then this product undergoes hydrolysis. Here hydrolysis takes place in present ester group undergoes hydrolysis, means COO C2H5 undergoes hydrolysis, and second is the heat CO2. Then COO C2H5 hydrolysis to release one molecule of the ethanol, that is C2H5OH, and COO C2H5 group is converted to the COH, means formation of a after hydrolysis COO C2H5 undergoes hydrolysis to form a acid. Then this acid when heated releasing carbon dioxide and H attached to the CH, they become converted to the CH2. Therefore here formation of a product first, that is the 6-methyl 1,5-heptanone is the compound number first. This is the step first here completed. Then in second step, synthesis of citral from 6-methyl 1,5-heptanone first. Then I am here again taking compound number first, react with ethoxy, that is OC2H5 group is called as the ethoxy, acetylene, then releasing MgBr. Here formation of a product COH, CO, C2H5. Then this product undergoes reduction in presence of H2 palladium in presence of BaSO4. Then formation of a product here COH, CH, CH double bond, COO, C2H5. Then this product when boiling with HCl, then allelic rearrangement occur and formation of a citral is here. Structure this CH3, C double bond, C, CHO, here CH2, CH, C, H double bond, C, CH3, CH3. This is the structure of citral. Then this structure may be confirmed by using synthesis. Means here citral contain two double bond, one aldehyde group, and adjacent to the aldehyde group double bond is present. Alpha beta one unsaturated double bond is present, and second is the C double bond C, CH3, CH3. This is the structure of citral. Thank you for listening.